The welding speed of handheld laser welding machine is 3 to 5 times that of traditional argon arc welding and plasma welding. The welding heat affected area is small, and it will not cause problems such as deformation, blackening, traces on the back of the joint construction, and the welding depth is D. The melting is sufficient, and the welding strength is very strong. Handheld fiber laser welding machine could be widely used in complex and irregular welding processes such as cabinets, kitchens, staircases, shelves, gridirons, stainless steel door and window guardrails, distribution boxes, stainless steel furniture, and other industries. It's a perfect replacement of traditional argon arc welding in welding thin stainless steel plate, iron plate, aluminum plate, and other metal materials. This handheld fiber laser welding system is equipped with wobble welding system, so it can solve the big gap welding requirements, and also can be equipped with automatically welding wire feeding device. Smart internal design and interactive control system expand the tolerance range and welding width of the processing parts, and solve the disadvantage of minor laser welding spots, and provide better welding forming. Light shape, ergonomic design, advanced structure, and reliable performance ensure comfort, grip, and simple operation. With multiple safety alarms, it auto-locks lights after removing the workpiece, which is safe. Nice welding seam, fast welding speed, no consumables, no welding marks, no discoloration, no later polishing.